Moving on to the next joint. So now we've completed everything to here. I'm going to start down here at the bottom here with just it's a bare-faced tenon here. So we have a slot cut out of the base piece and front piece gone out of this. Now you'll notice the front has gone out of this piece and the back has gone out of this piece. So it's a common mistake in this that it would be actually cut out in reverse and it won't go together. So be very careful on that. So we're going to get our timber that we need for this. So we've got this one and we've also got this piece here that we've labelled E on. Now you can see I've already got these lines from earlier, which makes it very easy for me to start laying it out together. So this one, we'll try and look for some information. Well, this timber is 18 millimeters, so it's going to be a halving joint, as we can see here. We'll just look for some information. We can't find any there. We can find some here. So you can see that that's a 9 millimeters showing the joint here, and there's no other line, so it means that this is 9 on the bottom and the top. So that joint there is in 9, and this is also in 9 millimeters. So we're going to set our marking gauge now again to 9 millimeters. So now I've got my marking gauge just double checked. It's set to 9 millimeters, and we're going to mark it around the bottom here. Again, I'm always marking off the back edge here. I'm making sure that I do that. So the video paused there by accident. So what I'm doing here is I've set my marking gauge to 9 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that focus please, there we go. We're going to make sure that we're marking off our back edge for each of these. So set to 9, and I'm just simply going to go off the back edge all the way around to the other side. Okay, that's that piece on the back edge, and this piece here is going to be marking all the way along on both sides. Now if we check that, that should line up fine. The whole notch is cut out here, so I can actually mark that one in solid there to start with. So that's that back piece, and I know I have E facing me, so that's going to be the front. So I need to take away the front piece on this, because you can see the front piece is gone here. Anytime you're not sure, double check your drawing, your reference sheet, especially the exploded view, because that's where all the information, it's easy to see it. So that's that piece marked out, and now we're going to go up to, we have kind of a half dovetail. So it's a halving joint, but one side of it's dovetailed. So we're going to mark that one next.